Welcome to Werks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today's video is an explanation of where I've been in the last 9 months. Basically, I took a break from producing YouTube videos because of time constraints in other projects, trips, and work. I started building a CNC router, which took up a considerable amount of time. The actual build didn't take that much time, but the design of it really did take up a lot of time. I expect to spend even more time going forward with the CNC router because I have never built, operated, or programmed a CNC router and expect a big learning curve. The next project was a pool deck. I don't have the skills to lay out a deck, so I had a contractor lay out the deck frame and concrete pad, and I finished it. I laid and attached the deck, handrails, sanded, and stained it. I also installed steps going into the pool instead of a ladder. I then created a project of making a pool deck cooler from the deck scraps. Why make one when you can make two? I did give one to my friends Vicky and Bob because they always have family over to their house and can use it. I did stain them with the leftover deck stain to match our deck. It does work really well and plan on using it more this summer. I then had a contractor come in and frame out and install plumbing and electrical in a rough-in bathroom in the basement. I finished the bathroom by installing the fixtures, painting, door, and flooring. We, the wife and I, wanted this for a while because we were getting tired of climbing the stairs to use the bathroom, and the wife wanted a bathroom for the pool area. The next project was to start organizing the basement workshop and my tools and machines. All the machines got put on casters so I can roll them out as needed and put away out of the way when not needed. I built this organizing system with Harbor Freight cases and sorted my screws, nuts, washers, and bolts with labels on the case for easy identification. I've seen this on several YouTube videos and liked the idea, and it has worked pretty good so far. We took a cruise with friends and really enjoyed getting away from the normal day-to-day activities. It was a Southern Caribbean cruise and lasted 8 days. As usual with vacations, you work hard to go on the trip, and then you work even harder to catch up when you get back. I went to the IMTS show and really enjoyed walking around it. I spent 2 days at the show and was really impressed with the display of new technologies at the show. It had been about 10 years since I last went to the IMTS show, and it did change. I spent a lot of time in the 3D print section of the show, which was new to me, and seen some really great 3D prints and technology. My daughter-in-law asked me to make her a bookcase. I did make 2. Why 2? Because my wife wanted a bookcase as well. I did leave the finishing up to the daughter-in-law and will help her when she wants to finish it at her house and my son's house. I also got a smoker and really enjoy smoking meats. I have smoked quite a few different cuts and fine-tuned my recipes so the meat will taste the best that it can. I have cold smoked some cheese and everyone seems to really like it. I saved the best for last. I've retired from my job at the end of 2024. I was given these parting mementos of my service. I can say it is as hard to get out of the job and into retirement as it was to get the job in the first place. This may be a good thing or a bad thing for my YouTube channel. It kind of depends on your view of my work on it. I should be a little more consistent going forward with the production of videos and projects. There you have it. That's why I've stepped back from creating YouTube videos and why I'll be making more going forward. Hope you all enjoyed the videos, and please feel free to comment on them. Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.